Hi, Karen Terry from McGrath and welcome to our latest property market review. Well, despite inflation rising slightly from 4.9% to 5.5% in August, the RBA made the decision to keep interest rates on hold for the fourth consecutive month. However, they will be watching the September quarterly inflation data closely when it's released at the end of this month. Even though the uptick was the result of the persistently high cost of services, fuel, energy and rents, the RBA has indicated that there is a possibility of another rate rise if inflation does not lower at a reasonable pace. The local market has remained reasonably balanced over the past few months with incremental increases in values. Over the September quarter, Sydney had a 2.5% increase in values, taking the annual increase to 7.3%. We have seen a slight increase in the volume of properties on the market over the past few months, which has been a welcome relief for buyers, giving them more choice, but it's certainly nothing like it was predicted by the media, who have been reporting for months about an influx of properties for sale by the end of this year. The good news for sellers is the additional supply does not appear to be causing any significant change in market conditions overall. Once again, the trend towards properties that are fully renovated continues. We had the pleasure of selling 1 Tipperary Avenue, Killarney Heights at auction. The home had been fully renovated throughout, being held as an investment property for a number of years. When the owners approached our team in April this year, they received conflicting advice on whether to renovate or not. We gave the owners the confidence and encouraged them to continue with their plans to renovate their home, including terraces and swimming pools, as there was a demand toward homes that were renovated over those that were not. The home drew the attention of buyers from all over Sydney, with 107 groups inspecting the home in the 4-week campaign. We had 3 registered bidders, all who fought hard on the auction day in an attempt to secure the beautiful home sitting on the edge of the National Park. After 21 robust bids, the property sold for a strong result over the reserve to a family relocating from Rozelle to the leafy suburb of Killarney Heights. I'd also like to mention our wonderful long-term stylist, Maddie Court from Navari Collective, for styling the home so beautifully for the campaign. The positive feedback is really worth a mention. As we head towards the end of the year, there's only a few more weeks left to effectively list and sell your home if you're hoping for settlement prior to Christmas. A lot of potential sellers don't realise the final date to exchange a sale is roughly the first week of November, with a standard settlement period of 42 days from the date of exchange. Our team are already starting to prepare for new properties that are going to market for sale in January 2024. As always, please feel free to call our team if you need any real estate advice. You don't need to be selling. We're always happy to provide updated valuations as part of the service we offer to our local homeowners.